Hey everyone, wanted to welcome you to our new online social studies class. I know for Miss Fred and for myself, this is a new process, so we wanted to take a minute, just kind of explain what's happening and how you're going to go about learning with social studies, how you can contact us, and just take time and make sure we're trying to answer some of those questions we know are out there. So first of all, for my class, I'm going to be using Canvas as the main way to distribute this content. So you'll be going to Canvas to find all of your assignments and videos and other things that are associated. For Miss Fred's class, you'll continue to use Google Classroom as you have been. Um, Social studies and science are classes that you've had every other day. So in this online environment, it's going to stay the same way. One day you're going to get science assignments, the other day you're going to get social studies learning and assignments. And it'll rotate from day to day. So Thursday this week is a science day, Friday this week is going to be a social studies day. A couple things to note as well. We are approaching the end of the third quarter. It is Friday here. So if you want to check PowerSchool and see if you have any missing assignments and make sure to get those sent into your teachers, that'd be really great so that we can finish up getting all of your learning targets and so forth entered for the quarter. Um, as we're going through this, I'm sure there's going to be times when you have questions. So the best way to reach both Miss Fred and myself is through email. Generally, we'll be checking and responding to emails from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. If you're doing your work in the evening, we probably won't get back to you until the next day. So just recognize that. In my Canvas course, there's also a help discussion. So if you have a question that you just want to throw out there to kind of the whole group that maybe we can all help answer, you can certainly put it in that help discussion as well. Just looking through my notes here to see if there's other things we wanted to cover. Make sure as you're going through things that you're communicating if you're confused. I know this is a new process for us. It's a new process for you guys as well. So if you're confused, you can't find something, you're misunderstanding our directions, please make sure you're emailing us, contacting us some way so that we can help you answer those questions. You're going to find that your first assignments are laid out there. There's a Google Doc for the assignment. There's a video that explains the assignment and kind of walks you through all that. And as we're going through this, if there's things that you think would help you better learn through this online environment, make sure to share those with us as well. We want to try to improve this as time goes by. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me or Miss Fred. Thanks.